If you have a Coyote 5.0 on a Mustang or Ford F150, there is an easy way to fix valve lifter noise. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang or Ford F150 with a 5.0 Coyote engine. Practically guys, they share the engine, as you know, just the horsepower is a little bit different for each one of those, but if you have one of those 5.0 Coyote engine guys and you have valve lifter noise, stay with us, we'll explain how we can easily fix that. Okay, we'll share our 3 secrets that we do here at the garage without taking the engine apart, because replacing valve lifters is tremendous job guys, and I don't think you want to do it, believe me guys. So we'll explain what we use here. It works, I would say 8-9 out of 10 times based on the vehicles that we used it. So let's explain that, how to do that today. Hey guys, before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmissions, interior, exterior. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. As you can see, we're constantly working on new projects here, trying to save you money. Now all we need guys in return for these free videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you find them helpful. If you need to buy any parts tools at a good price and quick shipping for your car, Mustang, any car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically guys, we'll demonstrate on that Ford Mustang, but as I said, that 5.0 Coyote engine has been used in the F150 as well. This is amazing engine by the way, but eventually with engines being older, you may experience valve lifter noise as well. We have hydraulic valve lifters, and hydraulic valve lifters are operated by oil pressure. Oil pressure guys can be compromised by carbon buildup inside the engine, sludge, oil buildup, fine particles build up, oil passages may get clogged up, the passages for the valve lifters may not work correctly as well. So what we recommend to do, first, make sure you change your engine oil on time. Okay, extending your service can actually affect your engine as well. But before we do an oil change guys, get leaky moly engine flush. Okay, you will need guys, okay, this one it says minimum oil filling 3 liters, but you will need to get, okay, sufficient for 5 liters. For that Coyote engine you will need 2 of these. That engine flush is simply amazing guys. Okay, I wasn't a believer in those additives until we started using it. I'm not kidding, this is amazing. We even made a special video that we didn't plan on making. Does leaky moly engine flush work? Demonstrated on an old Porsche. We used it on a Porsche Cayenne with 200,000 miles. We opened the engine, it was like new on the inside. So do an engine flush like that. This will remove oil buildup deposits, it will open oil passages. Then replace the oil filter. Don't forget to do that because it will be full of stuff guys. Use good quality oil filter or original Motorcraft oil filter will be my advice. High performance, good quality oil filter or original one. Next guys, okay, you need to get good quality oil. The liquid moly, okay, Special Tech is one of our favorite oils. We've been using liquid moly on our Mercedes and BMW vehicles and we never had any problems guys. It works on Ford, it's approved from Ford. You can see it meets the Ford standard right here. It shows you, okay, the chart about friction, fuel economy, wear, speed of oil penetration, deposit prevention, that's very important, and oil film strength as well. So very good oil guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Once you do that, change the engine oil, you need to add 2 of these. One of these is good for 5 liters, 5 quarts of oil. This is the Ceratec. That's where the magic happens guys. That Ceratec guys, what it does, it reduces friction. It's a high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines, less friction, reduce fuel economy, so it will pay for itself guys. And it actually reduces guys friction by 75% and wear by 34%. But we fix so many cars with valve lifter noise with that Ceratec guys, and following that procedure that we explained here. So we're going to go ahead, add ours, and we'll continue. So we're going to go ahead, guys, okay, at the Certec now. So what we're going to do, when you get it out of the box, make sure you give it a really energetic shake, guys. Shake it as much as you can, upside down, sideways, because some of that stuff could be on the bottom, guys. That magic stuff, okay, could be easily situated there. So we're going to go ahead, open the oil cap right here, okay. Perfect, just like that. We're going to go ahead, open it. If you have white sludge build up, guys, kind of like looks like pudding, yellow pudding on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open it. We need to remove the seal, specifically that Mustang, as we talked, takes 2 of these bottles practically, almost. We're going to add 2, it could be a little bit less than 2 to be more precise, and we're going to go ahead and start adding it now, okay. So let's do that. Perfect. We're going to empty, okay, the whole content, put it upside down so it can leak out. We'll get the second one and continue. So we added the first bottle of Certec, guys. We'll show you how we're going to add the second one. You're just going to get it out of the box. Make sure you give it a good energetic shake, guys. Really good shake, okay, because you have some of that stuff, magic stuff on the bottom. You're going to remove the oil cap now, okay. And if you guys have like a pudding white sludge build up on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Video, guys, okay, will be on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, add the second one. We will let it drain all the way and we'll continue. So this is the second bottle, guys. It's out, it's ready, so we can go ahead, okay, get it out. Now what you need to do, you need to get your 5.0 engine. If you have a Mustang or F150, get it out of the garage, start it in the outdoors, guys, and let it run for 5-10 minutes to mix things up a little bit. You may start noticing improvement almost immediately unless you have a mechanical problem. Then after driving it 1 or 2 fuel tanks, you burn 1 or 2 fuel tanks through the engine, you will notice significant, guys, improvement. And this thing lasts up to 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. So it can even pay itself off because it can reduce fuel consumption as well, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with valve lifter noise on Coyote 5.0 engine, and see you guys next time.